Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Alfa. Today I'm going to share you about soil mixture. The very important part before we do planting is selecting the right mixture soil to help our plant flourish. Why? Because we want to avoid any weak and non-productive plant. Weak and non-productive plant only require more work to maintain and are more susceptible to all kind of pest and disease problem. Most experts agree that a good containing medium should be lightweight and drain well, yet contain enough organic matter to hold nutrient and moisture even during hot and dry season. Okay, here is the type of soil that we use to mix and put in our plant for soil in plants. So, okay, here we have topsoil. This is clay, sand, and also the sawdust that we use as our compost. Okay, what is the benefit? Why we choose these kinds of mixture to mix it together and put in our nursery soil? That I guess is nursery soil, because one of it is cheap, to make it more cheaper and more easy and make the compost, the mixture of soil small or large in large quantity. Why we choose this all four? Because one, okay, we know that topsoil have large of quantity of organic material. Okay, for these two, okay, the clay one, we know that the clay soil will hold the water, will hold more water rather than sand, but we'll mix it together to balance it, the irrigation of water. Like sand will support, will open the pores, the soil to irrigate smoothly when we water, and for the clay soil is to hold water, more water, so the plants will not lose water easily. That's why we mix it together to make it balanced. And also for the sawdust is to support the compost, is to support the nutrient that we get from the topsoil, and this is will make us to fertilize not frequently. So that is the benefit why we choose this mixture.
So now I want to share about the natural pesticide. So for our group, we prepare the new leaf from the new tree and the hydrogen peroxide 6%. Yeah, so and 1.5 liter of water. So I take the leaf from the new tree, take it out and smash it, and then add the hydrogen peroxide. And then the new leaf put inside there. So for this, the new leaf have the hormones can become as a insect repellent for keep the pests far away from your plants, and is very friendly for our environment. So that's it. Close it and shake it. Leave it for 1 day. After that, filter out and take it spray around your plant. So that's it for my natural pesticide. Okay.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Akidin bin Syarul Fajar. Adakah anda mengalami masalah pokok lambat tumbuh? Pertumbuhan pokok anda terbantu dan pokok anda lambat membesar? Jangan risau, saya ada penyelesaian dia. Kali ini saya akan menunjukkan cara-cara penyediaan baju organik DIY yang mudah tanpa memerlukan bahan-bahan yang susah. So, bahan yang mudah, senang didapati daripada sampah rumah anda. Mari kita tengok sampah apa yang ada dalam. So, mengikut sampah yang organik ni, kita dapat lihat ada kulit pisang dan kulit telur. Kemungkinan ayam ni kita tak perlukan kerana ia berminyak dan mungkin akan merosakkan tanaman anda jika minyak itu diserap oleh tanah. So ayam goreng yang lebih ni, bagi kucing. So bahan pertama adalah kulit telur. Ia membekal jumlah kalsium yang banyak kepada pokok anda dan juga merendahkan keasidan tanah anda. Juga senang didapati di dalam rumah. Siapa tak buat telur goreng? Bahan terakhir adalah kulit pisang. Kulit pisang membekalkan potasium. Potasium ini berguna untuk pembesaran pokok dengan cara melancarkan aliran air dan nutrien di dalam tisu pokok. Dan step terakhir, sebelum ianya boleh digunakan, kita mestilah jemur dia selama lebih kurang dalam 1 jam.
Sementara menunggu 1 jam, anda bolehlah membaca buku ataupun bermain PUBG. Nice headshot dan membuat assignment.
1 hour later.
Sejam dijemur, ianya sedia digunakan. Tetapi untuk penggunaan yang lebih efektif, anda bolehlah pecahkan kepada bahagian yang lebih kecil.